Hi everyone, I just want to show you real quick how easy this chart is to use with Google Classroom. The idea being, let's keep it simple for both teachers and students as well as parents. All right, so from this chart, you can see that we have the Google Classroom option, the title, the instructions, and the links. We're going to use kindergarten math as a sample. Teachers will open up their Google Classroom. They will go to classwork. From classwork, they will go to create. This brings down a drop-down menu. We saw over here that this is an assignment, so I'm going to go ahead and choose assignment. And now from the chart, I'm just going back and forth from tab to tab. I can highlight the information here, Control C to copy, Control V to paste, and now I have the title in there ready to roll. If I want to copy the directions, which I think is important for the kids, I just Control C, copy those instructions. Again, click in the box, Control V, paste, the directions are there. Now, this activity has several links. I really like the shape song, so I want to put that one in for sure. So I'm going to go ahead and add a link. To get that link, I'm going to go back to the shape song. I'm going to right click and copy link URL. Now I just go back to my page. I've got my link ready. Control V pastes it right in, and I can add that link. If I decide I want to add an additional link, same thing. I just go to add link, pick the link I want, copy, and paste. Add that link. Now both of these activities are here and ready for the kids, so all I have to do is make sure that all students are getting this, and I click assign. Super easy if you're assigning something that you want each individual student to work on. So assignment 1B in math is to create something from Google Slides. So let's create a second assignment so you can see how this works again. All right, I know it's an assignment and I know that this is my title. So I'm going to go ahead and copy my title right now, ready to go. Control C. Go back to my classroom, create. We know it's an assignment. And I already copied the title, so I can Control V and paste that in. I'm going to get the directions for the kids. Copy, Control C, and paste, Control V. Now that I've got that all set to go, I'm going to add a link to that Google slide deck. So when I do that, you'll see that I can click on this, and I'm going to get a little button right here that says Copy Link. So when I click on copy link, because it's a slide deck, I can bring that right over here, Control V, paste that link, and add that link. So right now you can see that the students have access to this slide deck, and it says that they can view the file. I don't want them to just view it, I want them to interact with it. So I'm going to click the little triangle here, and I'm going to tell them that I want a copy for each student. I want each student to get their own copy that they can manipulate and interact with as they do this activity. From there, with all of these amazing resources that are being shared with us, many of them have owners that have shared the file in a view-only mode. What this means is that you will occasionally see this exclamation point warning sign that says you can only attach files you have permission to share. You will need to make a copy. So again, the most important piece of this is to make sure that it doesn't say students can view file, but that students each get their own copy. So we want to make a copy for each student. So once you've changed it to make a copy for each student, even though it says it's not saved and you have the exclamation point, when you click assign, it will ask you if you would like to make a copy and assign it. When it asks you that question, it says it can't attach it because we don't have permission to do that. Would you like to make a copy in your drive and attach it? The answer to that question is yes, make myself a copy. Now it's going to do that. It's going to make me a copy, and it's going to make an individual copy for each student. That way, everyone will be able to edit their document, to interact with their slide decks, and no one will need to request editing access. Anytime you get that question and you're wondering if you should request editing access, That's not necessary. All you need to do is make a copy for yourself from File Copy. I hope that helps clarify some of the questions we've had about assigning slide decks and documents for students. There, I can now assign it, or I can save it and schedule it to post later. For now, I'm going to go ahead and assign it so the kids have the option of which assignment they want to do. Now they're both assigned and we are all set, ready to go. So you can see both assignments are here and ready to go, and the students will see them in their stream. I hope this helps. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out or hop on to the Tech Coaches meeting hours. Good luck.